Hi everybody, I am going to today unbox for you the Keurig K-Lite. And the way I unbox things is kind of the way a lot of men do, so I call it Dan style unboxing. I don't really do a lot of reading or anything like most guys. We just tear the box open and figure it all out. That's the way we like to unbox, and that's the way I'm going to do it for you right now. The way real guys do it. Most of us don't sit there and overthink it all. So the Keurig K-Lite. Instruction manual. I'll set that aside for now. Nice packaging, nice and safe. Recyclable. Alright, we're to the heart of the matter already. And out we go. That's it. That box is empty. And we are upside down. There it is. Keurig K-Lite. She's a real beauty. Okay. So what have we got here? We already own one Keurig, but it's a little bit of a different model. So we don't think we're going to be too challenged by all of this. Let's see what we have. And look at that. It's something totally unknown to me. But I'll take off the packing tape. There we are. Good luck. And that's your water reservoir. Take this off the plug. Almost done already. It's going fast. Is your water catch, overflow. Just put that back in place. Okay. There you go, folks. That's generally basically what it is. Keurig side reservoir water filter instructions. Thank you, darling. Okay, so it's a water filter. Let's be the cartridge. Nothing complicated going on here. Plug it in, fill up your water reservoir, cartridge in, and stick around for part 2 and we'll do the electrical. Filling the water reservoir. It's a pretty big one. I think it holds a couple liters at least. That way you don't have to come running for water again and again for every cup that you make. There we go. So, I have put some water into the reservoir. I didn't fill it all the way. I'm just doing a test run here. So now the reservoir is installed. It's as easy as that. And the lid just pops on nice and easy. And just like any typical Keurig, you lift your lid, place your favorite coffee. Mine's Pike Place from Starbucks. That's kind of a luxury for me to have around the house. Power is on. There we are. See the flashing? Okay, and there we go. Select large. And it'll go ahead. Begin to heat the water. And there you go. And so it's just drawing water through its system. And you can hear now that the burner is really starting to heat up in there. Hear the element. Won't be much longer now, and it'll go ahead and proceed and make its first cup, which I will throw away because you always want to run a couple practice runs through and just make sure it's washed out any dust or pieces of dirt that could have been picked up during manufacturing. It says here that it has gentle pressure, but it extracts every ounce of rich, full flavored coffee. Ooh la la. There you have it, folks. The Keurig K-Lite. Beautiful little unit. 2.2 liter reservoir. Probably the most elegant styling yet of any of the new Keurig machines. And a perfect cup of coffee. An extra added bonus to this unboxing of this Keurig unit, we decided to also treat ourselves to a rolling storage drawer. So I'm also going to just pop that open and show you folks what this looks like and how it looks when it's first opened up. And here we go. I'm just going to dive right in, as always. This rolling storage drawer is good for 35 Keurig cups. And it doesn't look like it's going to be too complicated. We can set the machine right on top when we set it all up. Okay, so I have noticed right away when I was unboxing it that they have gone ahead and used some plastic retainers here just to keep it all from flying apart and moving during shipping. Get yourself a good pair of Skookum scissors. You can just quickly open that up. There we are. 1, 2, and 3. And now it's got nice rubber feet and it's nice and well built. Voila, just like that. You can take and put your machine if you like that. Look at that, folks. And we can go ahead and just open up this 24 package of Starbucks and stock it up. It's got the stopper so you can't over open it, which is handy. Figure it out as we go. Starbucks, that's our favorite. And Leah and I both drink the same coffee for the most part. She also likes her 3-in-1 coffee that a lot of Filipinos enjoy. And that right there represents 24. Voila. One full drawer, close it up, place your machine into place. And that is very neat, tidy, organized, and a great space saver. Fantastic. Very, very beautiful. Thanks again for joining us on the unboxing here, folks. It's a product that my lovely wife and I, Leah, will really enjoy having in our kitchen. And hopefully maybe you might want to try one of these out as well. Thanks for joining Dan and Leah on Dan and Leah TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.